Good morning team. In today's video, I will be briefing about 8025 report writing format. This video contains a proper explanation on three independent tasks that are given in the requirements document. Let me start explaining you the first task of the document. In the first task, we need to identify two other data visualization tools that are existing in the market other than Tableau data visualization tool. We need to select one open source data visualization tool and a commercial data visualization tool. We can identify these tools by using a simple Google search technique. Let me show you. So it's a straightaway keyword that we use to select data visualization tool. So when we use keyword commercial data visualization tools and if we search for it, we get some results and we get this kind of information. You can cross check and based on that you can decide about which tool to be used. It contains lot of tools. Among them you can select one proper visualization tool. Okay, so if you want open source, remove commercial and select open source data visualization tools. You get a lot of information related to it. Okay, so to make analysis, what I did is like I have selected one particular URL link. This one, it contains a lot of information about each and every data visualization tool and how much it costs to us and what are important features related to those tools. All such information is mentioned in this URL link. I will be sharing it to you through the document that I am explaining. Okay, so source depend on this one, though you will be giving like data visualization related references. That means URLs that are exactly related to your selected data visualization. This but this URL will help you to understand how we can analyze selected tools. Okay, so just use this one. It contains some basic information related to each tool. Okay, so yes, you can use this for data visualization comparison. And what I do is like I will give you one more screenshot of this contains details about 20 free and open data visualization tools. Okay, use these two to make your selection. All right, so then what we need to do is after selecting your open source data visualization tool and commercial data visualization tool, we need to explain about the tool and its importance. Maybe for each type of the data visualization tool we will be writing at least 250 words, so it counts to be 500 words in total. Okay, so before that you can write 100 words description such that you can reduce actual information on the tool. At least 100 words can be decreased on each tool. Maybe you can write 200 words on each topic. Okay, so give basic introduction about data visualization tool, then write about each selected commercial and open data source. Okay, that is all about task 1.1. In the next video I will explain you about task 1.2 and 1.3 in a single video.